Hi, welcome back to Forensic Fridays, where we discuss the science behind your mysteries. My name is Riley, and I'm your FSSO Vice President, and today we will be discussing the Frye and Daubert standards. In legal court, evidence is presented to juries of our peers. However, individuals in a jury may not have the technical expertise to determine if the scientific evidence being presented is correct. The Frye and Daubert standards have been put into place to create legal protections for admissibility of evidence in court and are important when courts are presented with new scientific tests or individuals with novel expertise. The Frye standard originate when Frye v. United States took place in 1923 as the first case to set precedent for limitations of admissions for scientific evidence and testimony. Prior to this ruling, there were few laws put into place regarding evidence admissions. In Frye v. United States, James Frye was on trial for the murder. As part of his defense, his lawyers wanted to present a precursor to the polygraph test to prove Frye's innocence. The test was excluded by the judge, which was upheld during an appeal. The result of the ruling led judges to ask if the scientific principles and methods applied to evidence are generally accepted by other individuals in that relevant field. The Daubert standard was created during Daubert v. Merrill Dow. Mrs. Daubert sued the Merrill Dow pharmaceuticals after she had been prescribed Bectin during 2 of her pregnancies, claiming that the medication was responsible for causing birth defects. Statisticians were retained by both parties to determine if there was significant statistical evidence for the rates of birth defects found in women who had taken the medication. The appeals process took the case to the U.S. Supreme Court, where it was decided that Frye standard was no longer considered to be the golden rule, and that courts should use the Federal Rules of Evidence created by Congress in 1975 when deciding the acceptability of new scientific techniques. The Daubert standard aimed to be more flexible in the allowance for individuals with specialized knowledge to testify. The Daubert standard can be simplified into the judge being the gatekeeper for evidence, and gives a guideline of criteria for judges to use in their evaluation. The 4 considerations are falsibility, error rates, peer review, general acceptance. By adding general acceptance, the Daubert standard engulfed the Frye standard. The Daubert standard was eventually changed to include testimonies of other technical fields, as shown in the movie My Cousin Vinny. Thanks for watching. See you next time for Forensic Fridays.